Welcome back to Infigyan friends. In this video we have one very interesting question from rational equations. It is x square plus x minus 26 over x plus 2 whole square plus x square plus 7x minus 14 over x plus 2 whole square equal to 36, and we are going to calculate real solutions only. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0. So our answer cannot be negative 2. Now I will consider our substitution straight away. X plus 2 equal to t. So I can write x will be equal to t minus 2. And this value apply to the original equation. See what will come out. It will become t minus 2 whole square plus t minus 2 minus 26 divided by t whole square plus t minus 2 whole square plus 7 times t minus 2 minus 14 divided by t whole square equal to 36. Now I will expand. I will be writing t square minus 4t plus 4 plus t minus 2 minus 26 divided by t whole square plus t square minus 4t plus 4 plus 7t minus 14, and then we have minus 14 divided by t whole square. RHS is 36. So once I will simplify, I will be getting t square minus 3t and then minus 24. It will be minus 28 plus 4 minus 24. So let me write here. After simplification, we will be having t square minus 3t minus 24 divided by t whole square. In second bracket, we will be having t square plus 3t minus 24 divided by t and then whole square. RHS will be 36. Now I will divide by our denominator t. So I can write t minus 3 and minus 24 over t. And then we'll write minus 3 whole square plus t minus 24 over t plus 3 whole square, and RHS is 36. Now you can see t minus 24 over t. This value we will consider another substitution. So let us write t minus 24 over t equal to a. So our equation will convert into a minus 3 whole square plus a plus 3 whole square equal to 36. Let's solve. So I will be writing a square minus 6a plus 9. This is a minus 3 whole square. A plus 3 whole square, a square plus 6a plus 9. And RHS is 36. Now we can cancel plus and minus 6a. So it will be 2a square plus 18 equal to 36. 2a square equal to 36 minus 18, 18. A square will be equal to 9, or we can write a must be equal to plus minus 3. Now a was our substitution. A was t minus 24 over t. So I can write two equations from here. A equal to plus 3, where A is t minus 24 over t, and A equal to minus 3. Let us solve both one by one. So I will be writing t minus 24 over t equal to plus 3, and t minus 24 over t equal to minus 3. Let's solve. So I'll be writing here t square minus 3t minus 24 equal to 0 by multiplying both sides by 3. Here also t square plus 3t minus 24 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. Let's apply quadratic formula. T equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So I will be writing here 96. It will come out plus 96 divided by 2. Further I can write 3 plus minus square root of, this will be 105 divided by 2. So we have two values of t. Let's solve the second quadratic also. So t will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, so 2, or I can write minus 3 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. Now t was our substitution, it was x plus 2. Let us replace t with x plus 2. So I will be writing here t equal to 3 plus minus square root 105 over 2 and minus 3 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. Now t was x plus 2. So I will be writing x plus 2 equal to 3 plus and minus square root 105 divided by 2 and minus 3 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. Take away 2 from both sides. So x will come out minus 2. So I will be writing 3 plus minus square root 105 over 2 minus 2 and 3 plus minus square root 105 over 2 and then minus 2. So we can write x will be equal to 3 minus 4. So it will become minus 1 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. And here I will be writing minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. So our final answer for this problem will be, let me write here, minus 1 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2 and minus 7 plus minus square root 105 divided by 2. This will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.